Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good. My name is Siddesh Mehta and in today's video we will have a quick look at the upcoming IPO of Updater Services Limited and whether you should subscribe to this IPO. First things first, let us understand the business of the company. It is a leading integrated business services platform in India offering integrated facilities management IFM services and business support services to its customers. It operates in the B2B business services space and its services are primarily annuity-based services where the customer once acquired generates revenue for an extended period of time. The services offered by this company include soft services, production support services, engineering services, audit and assurance services, among others. The IPO opens for subscription from 25th September to 27th September 2023. The lower price band of the IPO is Rs 280 per share and the upper price band is Rs 300 per share. The issue size of the IPO is Rs 640 crores. Out of this, fresh issue amounts to Rs 400 crores and the rest is an offer for sale. The post-issue market cap of the IPO at the upper price band is expected to be Rs 2001 crores. Now coming to the objectives of the IPO, the company intends to utilize the proceeds of the fresh issue towards repayment of the existing borrowings, funding working capital requirements, pursuing inorganic initiatives, and for general corporate purposes. When we look at the financials of the company, although the company has displayed an exceptional Y-on-Y revenue growth, the PAT has declined significantly. Also, the margins ROE and ROC are declining on a Y-on-Y basis. Focusing on the key strengths and opportunities of the company is the second largest player in the highly fragmented soft services market in India with a market share of 4.1% in FY23. It has been able to grow inorganically through multiple acquisitions by venturing into higher margin services. It has been able to maintain long-standing relationships with customers across diverse sectors leading to recurring business. The company is looking to fill in gaps in the existing portfolio of services by introducing new products and services which are potentially large and margin accretive. Coming over to the risks Updater Services Limited is exposed to, as the company provides services in different business environments, it is exposed to operational risks. Failure to manage these risks can have an adverse impact in the business operations of the company. The company proposes to utilize a portion of the net proceeds towards acquisition of the targets which are yet to be identified. Inability to complete such transactions may have an adverse impact on the growth prospects of the company. There has been a reduction in the net profit of the company in FY23 compared to the previous two financial years. Continuity in declining net profits may have an adverse impact on the company's operations. Now, whether you should subscribe to this IPO. The company comes at an earnings valuation of 45x based on its EPS as of 31st March 2023 and the upper price band. However, its peers are currently trading at relatively cheaper valuations. The current market conditions appear to be unfavorable, largely due to substantial selling pressure prevailing in the market. Given these factors, we recommend our investors to avoid subscribing to the Updater Services Limited IPO. Thank you for watching. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Investments and securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.